Hi everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to place the ESXI server into the maintenance mode. So first of all, if you're going to maintain, so you need to log into the ESXI. So you need to give the credentials. So once you are able to log into that one, so there is a host will be there. You have to right click on that one and placing the enter maintenance mode. And this is the option majorly we are using whenever we are performing the kind of activities into the ESXi. For example, there is a kind of hardware maintenance or any kind of software maintenance, any kind of different type of the peripheral activities, then only we are performing. So whenever we are placing the ESXi into the maintenance, we won't receive the any alerts. Okay, so make sure you need to be click on that one. So once you click on this one, enter, so automatically everything will be going to the maintenance mode. So what is a maintenance mode? So what exactly will happen? So when you place, okay, no alerts will generate, no alerts will be generating, and all operations will be hold. Means, for example, you can see that here on top of my virtual host there is some of the ESXi there. So if you want to perform any kind of activity, for example taking the snapshot or anything, you can see that everything is totally degraded, nothing but we cannot perform any kind of operations into this type of environment. So usually, just to avoid the alerts and operations into the, in particular this host we are performing especially into the production environment, if you want to perform any kind of activity into the production, okay, so we are going to perform this kind of activity. Here it will be going to be totally based on approval and change request only we have to do it. So what we need, so we need to have downtime is needed, and approval from all clients is needed. So we need to have a specific reason why we are doing this one, why we do this, to avoid alerts and placing the infra into frozen state, to perform any kind of activities. So if you want to perform any kind of activities, we used to do this. Okay, so without this can't we perform? Yes, we can perform without this also. But what exactly going to happen? For example, so if you can see that on particular this ESXi particular host, there is a number of servers will be there. Right now I have the only one ESXi on VCSA. So in production environment there is a lot of data centers will be there, servers will be there. If we are not placing this server into the maintenance mode, automatically from every server you will receive a lot of alerts. What are the alerts? Like a server down, and the services are down. Okay, all alerts we will receive from the different servers. So it will going to be conflict and unnecessarily panic situation. So that is the reason in production environment, whenever we are performing any kind of activity on host, then only we are going to this kind of option, exit emergency mode. So once you're done, you can see that here when I was into the emergency mode, the symbol amber light symbol is there. If you want to come out of this one, I need to click the exit emergency mode. So the option, you can see that the status of the thing automatically it will completed, and you can see that everything will be into the green mode with a tick mark. You can see that everything is functionality is there. Earlier the functionality is not there. Thank you for watching. For more videos on the courses, please text me and go through my channel, a Unix Backbench. Thank you. Have a nice day.